Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. आज हम जानेंगे different types of course of पल्ली संगठन विभाग PSV विश्व भारती यूनिवर्सिटी का PSV में कौन सा कोर्स है और उसके साथ कितना सीट कैपेसिटी है, कौन सा कोर्स में कितना सीट अवेलेबल है, उसके बारे में हम जानेंगे। PSV इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ रूरल रिकंस्ट्रक्शन कोड 06 पल्ली संगठन विभाग was established at Sriniketan by Rabindranath Tagore in 1922 with the primary object to bring back life into village, making the rural folk self-reliant, self-respectful, acquainted with the cultural tradition of their own country, and competent to make efficient uses of modern resources for the improvement of their physical, intellectual and economic conditions. आज फर्स्ट हम जानेंगे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सोशल वर्क अंडर ग्रेजुएट BSW ऑनर्स ड्यूरेशन 3 years 6 semesters eligibility criteria and intake for admission to BSW course subject BSW honors bachelor degree of social work eligibility passed higher secondary or equivalent examination with 60% marks for general and 54% marks for OBC taken together in science, commerce, humanities except vocational stream with any 4 best sources in higher secondary. Intake capacity general 16, OBC 11, SC 6, ST 3, EWS 3, total seat 39. Integrated candidates from विश्व भारती स्कूल सिस्टम जो इंटरनल स्टूडेंट है जो विश्व भारती से पास किया है उसका सीट है जनरल 4, OBC 2, SC 1, ST 1, EWS 1, total 9. Postgraduate MSW duration 2 years 4 semesters eligibility criteria and intake for admission to MSW course subject MSW 2 years master degree in social work eligibility passed bachelor degree honors or equivalent during with 50% marks for general and 45% for OBC. Candidates should be from any one of the following stream: social work, science, commerce, humanities. The candidates from humanities stream must have any one of the following subject: history, ancient Indian and world history, economics, sociology, anthropology, nutrition and home science, psychology, political science, geography, philosophy, religion, management, human development, education, journalism and mass communication, and English. BSW students of Vishwa Bharati with complete result are eligible for admission to MSW course as an integrated part of social work education offered by the department. Intake capacity: General 22, OBC 15, SC 8, ST 4, EWS 6. Total seat capacity in MSW is 55. Postgraduate diploma in disability studies. Duration 1 year. Eligibility criteria and intake for admission to PGD course. Subject: 2 semester postgraduate diploma leading to PGD in disability studies. Eligibility: passed graduation or equivalent examination with 45% marks in science, commerce, humanities. Admission of SC, ST, OBC and persons with disability will be as per university rule of relaxation for such category. Candidates who have also qualified graduation in any discipline may apply. Intake capacity: General 6, OBC 3, SC 2, ST 1, EWS 1. Total seat 13. Postgraduate diploma in exclusion and inclusive policy. Duration 1 year. Eligibility criteria and intake for admission to PGD course. Subject: 2 semester postgraduate diploma leading to PGD in exclusion and inclusive policy. Eligibility: passed graduation or equivalent examination with 45% marks in science, commerce, humanities. Admission of SC, ST, OBC and person with disability will be as per university rules of relaxation for such category. Candidates who have also qualified graduation in any discipline may apply. Intake capacity: General 6, OBC 3, SC 2, ST 1, EWS 1. Total seat 13. Department of Rural Studies. Undergraduate BRS Honours. Duration 3 years, 6 semesters. Subject: BRS Honours. Bachelor of Rural Studies. Eligibility criteria: candidates from science stream, commerce stream and social science stream having at least 3 subjects from economics, political science, history, geography, sociology, anthropology, philosophy, education, psychology, food and nutrition and agriculture are eligible to apply. Qualifying marks for general candidates: passed higher secondary level examination with 50% aggregate. For OBC candidates, passed higher secondary level examination with 45% aggregate. In case of SC, ST candidates, admission will be as per university rules. Intake capacity: General 10, OBC 6, SC 4, ST 2, EWS 3. Total seat 25. Integrated candidates from Vishwabharati school system. For internal students from Vishwabharati, seat capacity है General 10, OBC 7, SC 4, ST 2, EWS 2. Total seat for internal student of Vishwabharati 25. Postgraduate MRS duration 2 years, 4 semesters. Subject Master of Rural Studies MRS. Eligibility criteria for all candidates general, OBC, SC, ST and EWS, honors graduate, science, social science, geography, economics, sociology, management, commerce and technology graduates, rural studies, rural development, social work development studies, graduate from agriculture, all candidates qualified in BRS honors examination of Vishwabharati are eligible for admission directly. Intake capacity for MRS General 20, OBC 14, SC 7, ST 4, EWS 5, total seat 50. Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension, Rural Extension Center, Postgraduate MRM, duration 2 years, 4 semesters. Subject MA in Rural Management, MRM. Eligibility passed bachelor degree honors or equivalent with 50% marks for general candidates and 45% marks for OBC candidates, and pass marks in SC ST candidates in 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern from any recognized university in social science, science, technology, commerce, humanities, management stream. Intake capacity for general 15, OBC 10, SC 5, ST 3, EWS 4, total seat 37. और भी बहुत सारा कोर्सेस है PSV में, उसके लिए मैं एक वीडियो बना दूंगा और उसका लिंक मैं आई बटन में डाल दूंगा. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.